can entirely be in frame.
Watching iJustine on a cell phone in the car with Scully. She's so hungry, she just has to hang around. Hey, the guys on the internet are going to love this, Scully. You know, I think you're going to have some fans. Like Capitan Bastos, I think, is going to say something. I reckon Frida and Luna will like seeing you in the video.
Shot with A6500, there's a really good chance that this is the one that I was using.
Who else is going to like you?
What I was using before is a 16 to.
So I am. He always comments about cats when you're in the video.
Using this lens and this lens, I had the
You're about to knock the phone over, aren't you? You're going to knock that phone over.
Meet so many of you guys. So here's an example of using the wide-angle lens. As you can see, you can get a little bit of zoom, but not very much. But the wide angle is so perfect for vlogging. And here we have an example of like 16 to 7.
Alright, can I watch my iJustine video now?
As you can see, you can get a
that would be great if I could watch the video.
Not very much, but the wide angle is so perfect for vlogging.
Oh, you turn the indicator on.
What 16 to 70 looks like.
Hazard lights.
Jeez. Pretty good. So you may be questioning right now, Justine, why don't you just stick with these two lenses?
Now she's on the roof.
Is a little bit heavier, and the lenses are much heavier because it is a full frame sensor. So with this one, I can use smaller lenses and really
love your videos, Justine, but my cat really doesn't.
Or the A7 III.
Ah!